there, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Nadine West unbagging. Hey, if you're new here, please be certain to subscribe and join me for future videos. I make videos all about style subscription services and clothing hauls, things like that. If you enjoy that, please subscribe and join me again. Before I open this bag, I want to talk a little bit about my last Nadine West video. In that video, I had a giveaway for a $20 Nadine West card, and that was open to anyone that has never tried Nadine West before. And many of you commented, and I did pick a winner, and I messaged that winner and she did not contact me. I started thinking I didn't do a very good job of setting up like contest rules because I just kind of did it on the fly. I am going to give this card away in the video. If you go into the description bar of this video, there will be very clear-cut instructions on how you can enter to win the $20 gift card. Again, it's only for brand new Nadine West subscribers. If you're interested in trying it, this is a great way to try it. And my apologies for not getting it right in that last video. I will do it right this time. I'm using a website that makes it very easy because the website picks a winner, but it also gives me that winner's email address, so I'm able to contact the winner. And I promise I will not spam you. I'm not in business. I'm not selling anything. I will just make sure that the gift card gets to the winner. Okay? So thank you very much for your understanding. Let's get into this Nadine West. Everything you need to know is in the description box below. This one is a real affordable style service. You take a very short style quiz, and then they send you random stuff. In my last box, I did keep a necklace. I kept some earrings. Let's see what we've got here. When you open your bag, you have to be really careful because anything that you want to return, you'll return in the same bag. 2 bundles, and this is what they look like. Okay. Now, I like the colors in this bundle. Well, look at that. Isn't that adorable? Okay, they sent me a blouse I might actually enjoy wearing. Now, it does seem to have a tie in the front, which I'm not always crazy about, but when it's left like that, hanging down, I don't mind it at all. And we do have kind of a, it looks like a cap sleeve, but they're a ruffle cap sleeve and a rounded hemline. Who is this by? The brand on this one is called Miley Molly. I hope this isn't really expensive because this is probably the nicest blouse that I have received from Nadine West. And the next thing we have, this is by Zenana Premium, and this is an olive colored pencil skirt, and it's one of those stretchy ones. It's got a nice thick waistband, and it does look like it might be long enough. This outfit looks really promising. Bundle number 2. Okay. I got this in my last Nadine West, and this was just this t-shirt. This is by Popular 21. This is this black and blue t-shirt with a little bitty pocket on it. And they sent this last month, and they sent it, I think, in a size small or medium. This one's in a size large. So, and it's about $20, if I remember correctly. I liked it. This feels really nice. It is very thin. I knew I was going to need it in a larger size because I could see my belly button in the last one. So let's see if this larger size works best. Next piece we have, this is a cold shoulder top. Oh, this is almost like a halter style, like strapless bra type style. This is in a burgundy color, and there's grommets and a lace-up detail in the front there. Now, this fabric is super duper soft, really, really soft fabric. What does the hemline look like? It looks like a rounded hemline, and I don't know about the halter detail, but I'm really open to trying this. And the next thing we have is by Zenana Premium, and this is in a real deep, like purple or plum color. I kind of like this color. And I'm guessing this is a tunic and one of those swing ones that, you know what, it sometimes looks like a maternity top on me. But this might look really cute with some tall boots and leggings. Okay. 1, 2, 3 bags of jewels. I enjoy the Nadine West jewelry because it's affordable, it's fun to wear. And the first thing we have is this little necklace. This is a real simple, just a floral in silver tone necklace, and it does look short. There is no extension, and it does have a lobster claw on it. This is kind of cute. Next we have a bracelet, and I'll just try it on for you right now. So it's an adjustable bracelet. It's silver in tone, and it has the arrow there. That's kind of cute too. I like the way that looks on, and it is adjustable, easy to get in and adjustable. And the last thing, I'm guessing I've got some earrings here. Okay, the last thing are these little earrings. They're silver tone with a little pearl hanging from them. So that is kind of nice, very subtle, and I like the pearls too. I just got pearls from Nadine West in my last shipment, so I don't know if I'll need these, but I like the jewelry. I think Nadine West sent me a lot of cute things this time. You didn't see me try on the earrings, and the reason being is because the post on this earring is too large for my ears. I think that's because when I was in junior high school, my girlfriend pierced my ears with a safety pin. And sometimes I am not able to put these larger posts in my ears, so these have to go back. I think they're darling, they just don't fit my ears. The price on these earrings is $10.49, and these are going back in their pink bag and back to Nadine. The next item is the bracelet. This is the least expensive thing in the bag. This is $8.49. I think it's really cute. I mean, it's just a piece of wire bent with the arrows on it, and I kind of like that look. I don't wear a lot of bracelets, but this looks like a fun piece to wear. I think I might wear it. $8.49. Now with Nadine West, they charge $9.78 just to ship a bag to you. They call it a shipping fee, and you can use that $9.78 towards anything in the bags. So I could keep the bracelet and come out even if there's nothing else in the bag I want to purchase. Okay, next up is the necklace. They call this necklace Petal Power. I like it. I think it's cute. I don't know. It didn't do anything to me where I feel like I have to have it. Part of it is just where it laid. I mean, it was laying underneath my t-shirts and most of the pieces that they sent to me. It's not adjustable, and I really appreciate a little adjustment so that I can wear it short like a choker, or maybe even a little bit longer so it will show over the clothing that I'm wearing. $13.49. I think it's great. It's just not for me. I think this t-shirt is the exact same t-shirt that I sent back in my last shipment. This is called the Teeny Tiny Pocket Tee, and it's $20.49. And the things I like about it is I like the color. I didn't notice that these sleeves kind of give the appearance of a rolled sleeve. Well, they are a rolled sleeve. Anyway, too tight. It just doesn't work for me. I did leave feedback with my last Nadine West, and it looks to me like they actually read the feedback, because I did say this was too small last time. In my feedback this time, I'll ask them not to send this again, because this just isn't working. I like it, but it's just not working for me. The next piece is this purple. This is a dress. This is a swing dress. This would be such a short dress on me. I could never wear this as a dress. This is $18.49. I like the color. I didn't mind the fit on this. I love that it has pockets. I shy away from these really big tunics because I feel like they make me look even larger than I am, but I kind of liked this one. I am not keeping it. I love that it had pockets. I think this is a great price for this. It's just not a look that I have been able to pull off. Now this piece is the most expensive one in the box. It's only $22.49. It's this halter top. They call it the Carly top. This halter style cold shoulder with grommets and a lace up, and okay, forgive me because I wasn't wearing the correct bra with it, but there was just way too much going on right here. Just way too much. The entire garment has just a lot going on with it, with the cold shoulder. The fabric is awesome, but the cold shoulder, the halter top, the grommet detail, and the laces, it was all just a little bit too much for me. But this is really super soft fabric, and I'm glad I got to try it on, but it's just not a piece that I would ever wear. The olive colored skirt, they call this the Cecily. This is by Zenana Premium, and this is $20.49. I like it. It was really high-waisted to get it to the length that I wanted it, but I mean, You could wear it much lower on your waist and have a longer skirt. There's plenty of give in this. A really nice waistband that doesn't roll. I like this, and I would probably wear this styled with tennis shoes and a sweatshirt or a big cozy sweater and maybe some ankle boots. But yeah, this is one of those skirts that's like casual. Don't take me too seriously in this skirt. I like it. I'm really glad that they sent me a skirt in a nice color that I will wear, and this is going to stay with me. Please let me know your comments on this one. This is only $20.49, and I think it's a really versatile, stretchy and versatile. It's a piece I will probably wear. The Miley and Molly top. Now, I called it burgundy. They call it rust, and I would say that it does have rust colored undertones to it. I like this top a lot. I am really surprised it came in Nadine West. I would expect to see something like this in some of my other style boxes, but the price on this one, $18.99. This is staying. I can wear it right now with a cardigan. I can wear it with the olive colored skirt. This can be worn a lot, and I think this tie is very well done. I would never tie this in a bow, but I think it looked really nice just kind of hanging in the front. So this can be dressed up and worn casually. $18.99. This is a score. I am keeping this. Please let me know what you think about this Nadine West shipment. I'm impressed. This is the best one I've had in a long time, and it's probably due to me giving feedback. All of these style boxes need our feedback, but sometimes I get lazy and don't do it. I do think this better box is due to that feedback. So I will continue giving feedback, and let's see if this service just doesn't get better and better. Thank you very much for watching. I'm so glad that you joined me. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? It really does help me out. I appreciate it. If you want to try Nadine West for yourself, I do have a referral link, and also I am offering a $20 gift card to anyone that has not tried Nadine West. Just look for the details in the description below. I'll see you in 2 days. Got more clothes to share. I can't wait to see you. Blessings to all of you.